Welcome back. I'm bringing you some outfit ideas for spring, and these are going to be very realistic because spring in Boston is still freaking cold. A cool staple of mine is this Joy Division shirt. This was my boyfriend Brian's, and there was a hole in it. I decided to crop it. The other thing I decided to crop in this outfit is the skirt. It actually used to be very long, and it was my mom's. I never would have worn it how it was, so I cropped it. I think it fits really well. Underneath, I just have a orange turtleneck from Everly. The next outfit is very simple. It's actually one of my favorite outfits in this video. I just recently got this light green turtleneck sweater, and I'm just tucking it into my relaxed mom jeans, and I'm pairing it with this headscarf, which I think the beautiful mauve color works really well with the green, and I think wearing scarves like this is going to be a really nice accessory for me. Very much something I would have worn as a kid. I think that's my theme for this next phase of my style. Next outfit is probably my ideal outfit. Same style of turtleneck as the outfit before, but this one is striped, also thrifted, and then I just paired it with this denim zip-up pinafore style dress, and it's something that I'm really excited about. I like how loose but like short and fitted it is in some areas. I like the colors of the shirt, the stripes. Again, pairing it with a headscarf. This next outfit is with the same orange turtleneck as the first outfit. I'm pairing it with this thrifted dress that I've had for a few years now, and it's one of my absolute favorite go-tos. I'm also pairing it with another headscarf. This one is kind of a little more green, so it kind of contrasts really well with the red and orange. This dress is one of my favorites because I can wear it in winter and in summer. I did try to pair it with some blue pom-pom earrings just for contrast, if I can get them on, that is. Next outfit is a thrifted shirt. This dress was recently given to me by my sister, one of her hand-me-downs. This is just ultimate comfort. Both of these are kind of the same stretchy cotton material. I just thought the pattern mixing was really awesome because they are sort of in a similar color scheme, black and white, though the shirt has red. This next outfit is definitely super casual. I got this shirt from Parks Project. It's all of the California state parks. I've only been to Yosemite. I love this shirt, super comfy, and pairing it with these slouchy pants, also from my sister. And I'm also, just to complete the look a little bit, putting on my classic denim jacket. This is a great outfit for doing errands, just hanging around, but still very comfortable, but looking put together. This next outfit, this is the pink house dress from my second video, if you guys remember. It's a little too soon to wear it as is, so unfortunately I'm covering up the beautiful patchwork with this sweatshirt, but I felt like the boxy silhouettes would work really well together and kind of give this outfit a little more of a casual feel. Because of the open neck of the sweatshirt, I thought that it would be able to show off the detail around the collar. This next outfit is definitely on the more professional side. I like the bold colors. The skirt was my mom's. It's like this stretchy, denim-y, striped material. Very comfortable. The sweater is a hand-me-down from my sister, and I just love the shape of the V. It really contrasts well with the silhouette. This is my summer uniform. I'm just showing it now just for some wishful thinking. These pants are from Topshop. They're very wide leg on the bottom. This shirt was my mom's. She wore it a lot. I've worn it many times since high school, and I decided to wear this hat just to get in the spirit. And this last one, I'm bringing back this romper that I used to wear in high school all the time, and I'm so excited because I stopped wearing it because it kept shrinking, because guess who's an idiot? I put it in the dryer. I know not to do that, so I'm bringing it back. I'm excited to start wearing it again and take proper care of it. It might be a few months before I get to wear it just like this, but I'm excited too. It's one of my favorite pieces that I've owned.
You're always there